Hello students, in this video I will teach you how to use sorting and filtering option in MS Excel. So if you want to open MS Excel, you can open it from the desktop. Here you can see the shortcut of Microsoft Office Excel is on the desktop, and in the taskbar also you can see an Excel icon is there. If in your computer it is not there, then you have to go to start button here, click it and scroll down from here. Then Microsoft Office folder you have to open and go to Microsoft Office Excel, click here. Now you can see an Excel sheet is open on the screen. Here so many cells are displayed on the screen in which you can enter a data. Just go to any cell and start typing. You can see data is entered. So let us create a simple Excel sheet. Suppose this is a marks record of some students. So if you want to apply sorting in any field, then you have to select. Suppose we want to sort this field, then you have to select it and go to data tab and select. You can see here sort option in the sort and filtering group. So use this. A to Z is for ascending order and Z to A for descending. So if we will select descending, then this window will appear on the screen. So if you will use this option, then the sorting will be applied in whole data. You can see here. You can see that this data is also changing according to the arrangement of this field. And if you want to apply sorting only on the selected field, then you have to select second option and sort. Now you can see that this data is not affecting because of the setting of the selected field. See once again. Okay, so in this way you can use sorting feature in MS Excel. Suppose you want to use filtering option, then select the range which you want to apply filter. Then you have to click on filter, and you can see here an icon is displayed in the field of Abhijit. Now click here and unselect the record of a student which you don't want, then click OK. Now the unselected students are disappear on the screen. Again, if you want to appear, then select again and click OK. So this filtering feature is used when we want only particular data on the screen. See again, I am removing these students, and only 2 students, 3 will be on the screen. So in this way you can use this filtering feature. Okay, and if you want to remove it, then click again on filter and filtering will be removed from your data. So in this way you can use sorting and filtering feature in MS Excel. Do practice of it and learn. Thank you for watching this video.